Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sunday. It's cold out. That is why I'm in my giant IMG jacket. It's keeping me warm. We're just at Urban Outfitters. I just wanted to pop in here real quick, but I'm about to go and surprise my friend Emily at work, and I'm gonna bring her a pumpkin chai. I'm friend of the year, so that's what we're doing. We're also gonna go to the mall, I think, and I need to go get my mom a birthday card because her birthday's next week, and I'm going home to Louisiana in just a few days, so I'm very excited about that, to go and celebrate. So yeah, that's what we're doing, so I thought I would take you guys along with us today. Also, these are my new earrings. How cute are these? Guys, we came to the cutest little place and we got pizza. This looks absolutely phenomenal. I got rosé. So cute. Hi guys, I'm with Emily. Hi. We just bought pumpkins and we're gonna go carve them, but we made a little stop.
Or guess what?
Guess what? Margarita. Maybe, I don't know. So we'll see. It's so cute outside too. Look how fallish it looks. Guys, we got our pumpkins. They're so freaking cute. So we're just about to carve them. And oh my god, here comes Emily. Looking amazing.
With the goods.
Wonderful. With the goods. She got cheese. She got the wine. Trying to hide the wine. Housewife. Bro, the stars are picking up on my camera. Oh my god, the stars have never picked up on my camera. Emily put a full-on Bath & Body Works candle in her freaking Mike Wazowski pumpkin right now. Dude. Guys, how cute are our pumpkins? I'm literally obsessed. So they're Disney. Mine's kind of inspired by the one from Halloween Town, and Emily's is Mike Wazowski. But look how pretty it is outside with the stars and the moon. It's so cute.
So obsessed.
Obsessed. Wednesday, and I just went and picked up my mom's cupcakes from Nothing Bun Cakes for her birthday. We're headed home right now. The sunset's so pretty, but I'm going to pick up a package real quick, and then I need to go and pack, cook dinner, do laundry, all that fun stuff. So how cute! It's from Madeline. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, they sent me a cute little mug. How cute is this? And some pastries. These look amazing. Are you kidding me right now? What is this? With the chef's hat! Are you kidding me? Are you kidding?
So funny.
How do I get this out? Bo, please come look at me. With an apron! Cute, and some gift cards? That is so nice of them, what the heck? Anywho, thank you so much, La Madeline, for sending me this. This made my entire night. This is so cute. So I'm now home. I'm just about to go ahead and get started on packing. I have so much to freaking do. I just made the bed. I have more clothes in the dryer that I have to get out and fold, and then I just have so much to do right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on all that. I'm gonna do a haul for you guys soon on some things that I just got in, but I need to pack. I need to pick out some outfits. So I'm gonna go ahead, start doing that, put some outfits together. Need to get that out and start packing, but I just have so much to do right now. I'm kind of overwhelmed, but I need to get it done. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I made it home. Can you guys guess where the first place I came was? My pool. I needed to get a tan. I need to lay out. It's actually like 86 degrees right now, which is amazing. So hopefully I can get some sun. Hi! I missed you so much. Guys, how cute are these nothing bundt cake little cupcakes that I got my mom for her birthday? I got the pumpkin spice and the red velvet, and they just have little witch hats and shoes on them, and I just think these are so adorable, and they're so freaking yummy. I cannot wait to eat these. So I just came out into the gym so I could show you guys my outfit in the mirror. I just wanted to show you guys what I was wearing. I'm obsessed with this fit with these little cute like open-toed sandals. They're like the little kitten heel. They're so cute, and I'm loving like the ends of these jeans. They're amazing. I will be linking like all this stuff in a haul soon for you guys. I don't want to give away too much where everything's from, but I just wanted to show you my outfit real quick. Just about to go out to dinner, and yeah, I just got done playing with Bella. I missed her so freaking much. I honestly could cry. Like, I love her so much. So now I'm just gonna go to my grandma's house real quick and say hi over there before I head out. So we're going to Oxlot 9, which is my favorite ever. Me and Bo used to go there all the time when we lived here, but it's just really good food. So I'll show you guys what we get. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. We got drinks. It's fall spreads. Cute. Good morning, guys. I literally just waited in the longest Starbucks line so I could get a PSL and a butter croissant, but it was all worth it. So I went to the chiropractor this morning. Amazing. I love going to the chiropractor. It's the best feeling. I suffer with like really bad scoliosis, so literally instant back pain relief right there. So now I'm just gonna go to my grandparents' restaurant. I'm helping out for today. And yeah, so I don't know if I'll vlog much just because I am gonna be working, but if I can, I will. So yep, that's what I'm gonna go do. I'm gonna go drive. And it's nice and cold out this morning. It's so cute and fall here. Hey guys, it's Saturday. It's like 1:30 in the afternoon. I'm sitting in my car because I just got done cleaning it out. I like deep cleaned it. It was disgusting. It was very much needed. It's such a beautiful day out today. It's kind of chilly. It stormed yesterday. I worked at my grandparents' restaurant. I got to see a lot of people that used to come in, so that was kind of fun. And now I might go do a workout real quick, just something like quick to kill some time. And then I'm gonna go to my grandma's. Then I'm gonna go pick up Destiny. I'm so excited. We're going to a haunted house tonight. If you guys are from Louisiana or even know what this is, it's called the 13th Gate. I think it was on like the Travel Channel, like the top 10 like most like scariest haunted houses. It's my favorite one. I try to go at least every year, but I didn't get to go last year because of my nose surgery. But I'm going this year, and Logan's coming, Jacob's coming, Bo is coming, Destiny. So I'm gonna pick up Destiny. Also, Bella is barking at something outside if you can hear her. I don't know what she's barking at. I'm gonna pick up Destiny and then we're gonna go to the car wash and then we have to go to Ultimate Party, which is like a party store. And I need to get stuff for my Halloween costume because I'm running out of time and I need stuff to get. And I might go get a coffee at Courtyard Cafe because I'm really craving one and it's so cute in there. I might pop in and visit my friend Olivia while I'm in the area. And then we're gonna go eat at La Coretta, which I am really looking forward to. So I'm gonna go finish up a bunch of stuff real quick and then I'm gonna head out and change and go. Des is really out here pumping my gas right now. Are you freaking kidding me? That was an amazing fail at the party store.
Did you
amazing? Yeah. I didn't get anything. There was so many people in there. It was beyond overwhelming. So I don't know what I'm gonna do for my Halloween costume now.
You just have to order one on Amazon, I think.
That's what you think?
Oh, Billie Eilish.
Okay, now we're gonna get coffee. You love my earrings? Yes. Love it. Guys, I got coffee. It's pumpkin pie.
I should hang out with a hobo.
Destiny literally just spilled this all over her shirt. Literally, I don't understand. Like, I don't understand.
Brooke said, I don't like eating after people, so I was like, okay, drinking after people, so I was like, okay. I was trying to like pour it in my mouth, and it went everywhere.
What's that? Delish. Also, I get to see Olivia in a bit. She's coming to swing by, and I'm very excited to see her. I haven't seen her in like several months, so I'm pretty pumped about this. I never like Olivia. What? Oh my god.
Say hey, Olivia. Oh wait, I don't think I have it focused. Olivia has arrived. Okay guys, she got me here. 6 years. Here's Bo. Hey Bo.
6 years to come. We're with Logan.
Oh, and look.
So that's what we're
Logan. Okay.
Hi guys, I'm now back home from Louisiana, but I wanted to go ahead and end the vlog off here. I had so much fun visiting my friends and family, and I can't wait to go back, and I had so much fun back home, so I can't wait to go back in a few weeks for Thanksgiving, so I'm pretty pumped. But I wanted to go ahead and end the vlog off here, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and thank you guys so much for watching my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to stay stellar. All right, bye guys.
I was up late night balling, counting up hundreds by the thousand.